So, to set up voicemail on your Motorola phone, you're first going to go to the Phone app. Usually, you'll see the Phone app on the bottom of your home screen, but if you don't see it there, you can swipe up to go to the app drawer and then find the Phone app in there. Now, once you're in the Phone app, you can go to the keypad first, and then here, if you press and hold the number 1 on your keypad, it's going to call to your carrier's voicemail inbox. This is basically a universal Android shortcut for your voicemail server. And once you connect, the voicemail guide will walk you through the initial setup sequence where you will create a PIN, record your name, and choose your voicemail greeting. Once the system says that your voicemail inbox is active, you can just hang up. If the phone is asking you for an existing password the very first time you call the voicemail, try the last 4 digits of your phone number. That's usually the standard placeholder password used by carriers like Verizon and T-Mobile, although in some rare cases, it could also be 4 zeros or 1234. Once the mailbox is active, you can check your messages by just holding the number 1 on the keypad. But also, depending on your carrier, you might have visual voicemail available. If you open the Phone app and go to the home page, you might see a little voicemail tab appear here next to your favorites, and you can use that to check your voicemail. My carrier doesn't support visual voicemail, so I don't have that button here, but yours might look different. And of course, holding down the number 1 on your keypad will also work. If you aren't able to set up voicemail by holding down the number 1 key, there's another solution. Go to the Phone app and tap the little lines in the top left corner, and then go to Settings. Then in the settings, we can scroll down to Voicemail, and there's a couple of important options here. First of all, there's a visual voicemail toggle, and sometimes you'd need to manually turn it on if your carrier doesn't automatically activate it. Like I said, mine doesn't support it, so I can't turn it on even if I try to. If I go to Advanced Settings, I can see the actual voicemail number here. So if your phone for some reason can't connect to the voicemail server by holding down number 1 on your keypad, you can manually call this number and it'll go to the voicemail, where you can then set up your voicemail. Usually you don't need to do this, but in some rare cases, it's a good solution when nothing else works. And that's how you set up voicemail on your Motorola phone. Click that like button if this helped and subscribe for more. Thanks everyone. Hope to see you in the next video.